Okay, there's Uncle Tony.
Love to hear that energy from the crowd over there. That sounds great as you help the athletes out. Megan Kingsley still holding on to this lead. 42.5 on breaststroke and a 2:59.6. Skylar Smith comes back into the hunt. 3:02.5 outsplitting the lead, going 41.3. Now the ladies behind your leader begin to close the gap.
There's Katie. And the scoreboards.
Kingsley turns at 300 meters, 3:43.08. Ziegler into second at 3:44.6. Skylar Smith is third at 3:45.83.
Jake and Sean.
Brooke Ziegler moving up the